what do you think the athletic and sports world needs less of?
I think we definitely need less of performance enhancing drugs. I think unfortunately, or fortunately, we have the ability through building your body up naturally to get incredible results, better than ever in the history of humanity. Do we now understand the body scientifically, physiologically, and there are things that we can do for our body through nutrition that and biomechanical techniques such as chiropractic, like I perform, that are amazing. That an athlete can just be in tremendous shape and doesn't really need to rely on performance enhancing drugs. Unfortunately, through whether they were brought up in a certain way, through a cultural upbringing, for some type of insecurity that they have developed along their road to getting to where they are, people still use performance enhancing drugs. They still think they're necessary for them to achieve a certain level of success. And unfortunately, that puts all athletics in an unfair playing field. And I think that would be the one thing, if I could get rid of, that's the one thing I would get rid of.